Using the LG Content Store with webOS 6.0. The LG Content Store is your portal to limitless premium content and apps. If your LG Smart TV with webOS 6.0 is connected to the internet, accessing the Content Store is easy. Just press the Home button on your Magic Remote, and then select the Apps icon under the Apps List heading. In the Content Store, you'll find a huge selection of TV shows and movies. You'll also see an amazing assortment of entertainment apps and games. To install apps from the Content Store, you'll first need to log in to your LG account on your LG TV. Navigation around the store is simple with categories on the top of the screen for featured, entertainment, games, news and info, and more. You can also search for whatever you want. Click on the search icon at the top right of the screen. Then enter the name of the app you want and click Search. When you see the app in the search results, click on the app, then click on Install. Once installed, the Apps tab will appear in your launcher. When installing a premium app, be sure to accept the user agreements. Some features may not work if these agreements have not been accepted. Go to TV Settings, then All Settings, then Support, then Privacy and Terms, and then User Agreements. While in the settings, let's go ahead and verify the location setting. Streaming content is viewable based on licenses contracted between owners and providers. If your TV location settings are incorrect, some content may not be available. Go to TV Settings, then All Settings, then General, then System, then Location, and then enter your service area zip code. Your location will update automatically. Lastly, if you wish to uninstall an app, that's easy too. On the TV menu, press and hold the Apps tab on the launcher. An Edit Mode window will appear. Click the trash bin icon above the app and click Yes to remove it. That's it. The LG Content Store is open 24/7 for your enjoyment.